We'll guide you through how to set up Wix Booking so you can manage appointments and services seamlessly online. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. Then you need to click on Explore More Apps and search for Wix Bookings in the search bar. Once you find it, click Add to install the app on your site. After installation, return to your dashboard and go to the Bookings tab. Here, you'll find an option to create a new service. Click Add a Service, and you can choose between class, course, or appointment, depending on what you need. Let's say you want to set up an appointment service. Select Appointment, and then fill in the details like the service name, description, duration, and price. Make sure to set your availability and select the staff member who will provide this service. You can add a staff member by going to the Staff tab and clicking Add Staff. Enter their details and set their working hours. Once your service is set up, click Save to publish it. Now, head over to the Booking Page section to customize how your clients will see and book the service. Ensure that your booking page is easy to navigate and visually appealing. You can adjust the layout, colors, and even add images or videos. Finally, don't forget to test your booking system by going through the booking process as a client would. This helps you ensure everything is working smoothly. With Wix Bookings, you can also set up automated reminders for clients and manage your calendar efficiently. This is a great way to streamline your business operations and enhance customer satisfaction. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.